I just want to go through some issues that I had been seeing in everybody's digital scratch artwork from the other day. So one thing I noticed is that some people might have imported a picture into their app and their picture wasn't rotated properly, or it wasn't in black and white already. So if I'm going to use the seahorse, and the seahorse was, let's say, cropped and rotated this way, I would first want to make sure that I rotate it in the correct orientation. Okay, by going into the crop tool and then going in and rotating it around. The other thing that I want to do is I want to filter my picture and make sure it is in black and white so I can see where the lights and darks are. Okay, so now I'm going to click done. This picture is ready for me to bring into my Medibank Paint app. When I go into Medibank Paint, if I already have this set up over here, okay, what I want to do first is I'm going to make a black layer. So I'm going to hit color layer. I go up to the top menu bar to find the paint bucket tool. You'll notice it highlighted blue right now. I'm clicking the black on the color picker if you didn't already do that, and all I am doing is tapping the white rectangle that's in front of me so that turns black. Okay, in order to add in my reference picture, what I'm going to do is click the plus sign, then I click select image to add. This is where I'm going to go find that seahorse picture. Where did it go? Boop, 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 boop. Here it is. Okay. Oh, I can't see it. Why is that? Because my black layer is on the screen first. Okay, let's exit out of this. Hide your black layer. Click your plus sign one more time. Select image to add. Add your image. Now, this is only going to let me scale it up to about there, okay? Just because it's letting me scale it up to there does not mean that's where that should stop. We're not extracting line art. Go up to your top menu bar, find your transform tool. Transform tool is the square with the arrow that is coming out of the top right-hand corner. You are to drag your picture so it fits the full size of your canvas. Then you can hit done. Now I have these layers that are kind of out of order, okay? I'm going to delete the ones I don't need by swiping to the left and hitting delete. And now I'm going to drag my black layer by pressing and holding and dragging it up over my seahorse layer. Now that that black layer is highlighted, I'm going to slide my opacity scale down to at least 50%. You can make it even a little bit less if you want. Okay? From here today, what you want to be doing is zoom in, go into your brush tool, find the eraser brush, okay? And then you are going to go to brush settings. You are going to bring this down to a tiny pixel size, 10 or less, okay? Make sure your opacity is at 100%. And you're going to start making little marks. That even looks too big for this picture. So I'm going to undo, bottom screen, bottom menu bar, quick undo. I need to bring this down even smaller. So I'm working with a pixel size of 3, and I am going to start to make some little some different spaces. Where something looks really bright, you can make a lot of marks very close together. Remember, you can make cross-hatching marks. You don't want to erase away anything that is black. So you're just working your way around, okay? What I don't want to see, what I don't want to see is that you're using a big eraser and you're just going like this. Just dragging from one side of your picture to the other does not fulfill the requirement of this project. I want you to see what it'll look like. I'm going to hide the seahorse. This is what your drawing would look like so far. I'm going to bring the opacity up all the way. That's what it would look like. By doing that, you're not giving yourself enough details. So, this is meant to take you a couple of days. I want you to put in 20 minutes of time today on this drawing, and I want you to work slowly and meticulously about how you're creating details in this project.